Okay, okay. Through determination and perseverance, I've been able to get these nuts rolling. What does that mean? Well, I was going over all of the information that I've mapped out here, and I was scratching my head, and I was fussing with the wires under here by the controller. Also up front, right there's a wiring harness. So at both locations, the controller and the wiring harness up front, I was messing with the wires, verifying that my phase wires and my Hall sensor wires were connected, test fitting to troubleshoot to see which wire would come on and cause the wheel to lock up. You saw that wheel was locking up. Anyways, the power's off. It's running smooth, but so having said all of that, I came back here and I started playing with the front end wiring harness, and I thought to myself, wait, did I connect the wrong? There's two plugs here. Did I connect the wrong one? One controls the 1, 2, 3 speed plus the light switch and the horn button. The other one controls the throttle. So I plugged in the other wire. Anyways, long story longer, I went to the app to see if there was something on the app that I could do. And lo and behold, here's the app here. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, you can see me. It doesn't look so good in these conditions. Anyways, the app is on the tablet here. I opened it up and I connected to this is Black Beast, as it's known as, connected to that through Bluetooth and fired up the app on the tablet here, and it said the mode was locked. So I clicked on mode. No, I went on the settings. That's what I did. I clicked on the settings and I changed the mode from locked to unlocked, and it accepted it for the first time. I've opened up this app many times already. Anyways, it worked. It's connected to the app. It unlocked the motor. I turned on the ignition switch. And what have we got here? We've got rolling nuts. We got rolling nuts down the highway. This e-bike motor is working 100%. Whether it was a result of my Hall sensor repair, which I'd like to believe that it was, I want to say that it's as a result of a combination of troubleshooting, um, changing the Hall sensor, unplugging the machine and disconnecting it from the power. It's a combination of things, but these nuts are rolling down the highway, are rolling down a roadway near you soon. You better watch out. All right, that's it for now. I just wanted to share that with the community. I'm going to remount the brake caliper. Of course, I have some other work that I got to do on this bike. I got the front forks that I'm going to replace. I have the front headlight that I'm going to replace. As you can see, it's all sun faded, and one of the signal lights is broken off. It's seen better days. I also have a rear tail light, rear light assembly that I've purchased to replace this one here. That's old and weathered and not working. Burnt out light bulb, I think, on one side. So I've got a couple of replacement pieces. And one other thing here is the controller. That controller right there that controls the lights, high beam, low beam, and reverse switch, as well as the signal lights left and right and the horn button. So got to replace that as well. Okay, well, here we are. Good news.